This is a bonus video for those of you who may want to know how to do these problems without the Ohm's wheel. If you are comfortable with the Ohm's wheel and you want to use that, that is perfectly fine. But if you want to solve these just with algebra, this is for you. You will have to know two formulae. You have to know that power equals current times voltage, or pi, and then that E equals IR. If you know those two formulae, you can do these with algebra and the scaffold that I showed you with those problems. So here's how it works. A circuit has a resistance of 10 ohms and a current of 2 amps. What is the voltage across the current? So I do not know power, but I know I and R. So I'm going to use the formula E equals IR. And I'm going to draw my scaffold, just like so, through the equal sign. And this is where it's a little different. What are we looking for? What do we want to know? We want to know E. And then anything that's not E has to be on this side of the scaffold. We want to leave E alone. We do know I, and we do know R. And now we know E because we can do the math. E is 20 volts. That's my solution. Number 2, a light bulb operates with a current of 2 amps. And it just dawned on me, I need to put my phone on silent or I'll have that thing ringing. A light bulb operates with a current of 3 amps through a resistance of 5 ohms. Find voltage. E equals IR. We want to know E, so that's going to be on this side. And then anything that's not E should be on this team. I is 3 and R is 5. So E is 15 volts. A heater draws 8 amps of current and has a resistance of 15 ohms. What is the supply voltage? So we want to know E. We know I and R. Bear with me. I know this is getting monotonous, but this is the key to understanding it. E's here. Anything that's not E is over here. So E equals 8 times 15. And that would be, what, 120? And that is 120 volts. All right. A 24-volt battery, if you hear that scratching, it's the cat clawing up my goose down comforter, is connected to a resistor producing a current of 4 amps. What is the resistance? So we're working still with E, I, and R. Draw your scaffold. What do we want to know? We want R. And if it's not R, it has to move to this side of the equation. So how do I break the I away from the R? Stop, Maya. That's my foot. So this, sorry guys, she's scratching me. This is I. Sorry, yes, we're dividing I away. Do it to both sides. And you have R by itself. On this side, we're going to do 24 divided by 4. So R is 6. 6 ohms. Remember, you keep working this formula until you get one variable and one constant.